Record.
Hello all.
Okay, Minal. You can start your presentation.
Okay.
Mulai.
My name is Milo Saputra for Fakultas Keguruan dan Ilmu Pendidikan University Maritim Raja Ali Haji. Here I will present the material that I will give promiscuity in endolescent life. Ada yang tahu apa itu promiscuity in endolescent life?
Pergaulan bebas.
Ya, pergaulan bebas di kehidupan remaja. Definition of promiscuity. Free sex is synonymous with the name clubbing. Ada yang tahu apa itu clubbing?
Ya, tahu. Tempat orang joget-joget.
Yes. Or sparkling word, which is an open secret that there is a lot of drug as in it. Very lame in every way. The associations of teenagers is currently in the main spotlight because at present the association of teenagers is very worrying because the development of the current youth is currently very worrying for the nation because it is in the hands of your younger generation that this nation will be broke in the good. And the bad of this nation is very dependent of the younger generation. Definition of youth. The life we go through perhaps was of the most unforgettable stage is adolescence. Terms seems to be no other, perhaps filled with experience of heartbreak, inner conflicts, and misunderstanding other than adolescence. We can still remember the pain and happiness mixed into the one of experience when we're teenagers. We still have memories of how misunderstood we are, how often we change quickly, how much we expect at sentence, and how lonely and alone we feel. Sometimes we also feel why no one wants to understand but us. We wonder how this all started and where it come from. All this happens with adolescence, a time full of tumors and desire. But it often causes so many problems is not treated wisely and with. Adolescents are often identified and teenagers, so then in English. Teenager is also referred to as teenagers. In education, in addition to the word adolescents, however, adolescents cannot only be identified by age, but can also be excited from a life filled with careful, colorful life and the beginning of a to know the opposite sex. In addition, in our teens, we also usually begin to meet new values and norms that are different from the values and norms we have now. During adolescence, we generally begin to feel exercise in our relationships with parents and friends. Factor causing promiscuity among adults. Ada yang tahu faktornya? Faktor causing promise?
Mungkin karena broken home.
Yes. Namely, the low level of family education, such as a family that allows the child to date without any supervision, which causes the child to fall into promiscuity. Parents who pay less attention to children relationships. Parents who are busy with their works so that their children cannot be fully cared for. Lacks of caution is making friends. For example, friends lead us in a negative direction because they are friends with bad people. The economic situation of the family, for example, children who drop out of school because of the low family economy, make the child's behavior worse. The impact of promiscuity has a big influence on oneself, parents, and the country, such as strikes, dependence, decreases health, increases crime, stretched family relationship, spread disease, decreases academic achievement, silent. Ask for how to deal with promise with children, namely. Di sini ada beberapa ask for how to deal. Namely, 1, improve your perspective. Number 2, be honest with yourself. Number 3, embedding Eastern values, maintain a balanced life, lots of positive life. Number 5, lots of positive effective activities. Think about the future. Number 7, always read book that provides good motivation. Number 8, the last, communicate well with people. Di sini ada yang ingin bertanya? Education?
Belum ada.
Halo? Materi ini ada yang belum paham?
Belum paham.
Oh.
Itu bacanya harusnya ada yang nanya ya. Siapa gantinya? Tapi kalau misalnya apa yang itunya tentang tidak ada masih.
Halo, siapa? Si Aurel ya? Halo?
Tanya ini ya, nanti dia kasih tahu.
Education? Halo?
No.
Ada yang nanya tuh.
Si Aurel?
Aurel tuh. Aduh, sampai situ Aurel.
No.
Yes.
Still not yet.
Sebenarnya. Oke. Di materinya mana belum paham, Aurel?
Yes, understand.
Okay, thank you. Si Irfani, you understand?
Yes.
Si Anissa Olivia, hello, you understand?
Can you have other explain about apa nih? Promiscuity.
Definition ya.
Ada referensi lain nggak gitu? Selain
Referensi
ini gitu loh. Selain di slide ini.
Uh,
Maybe you have one
Wait,
line
wait.
more.
guys. Guys,
Yes, Raiska.
Yes.
you are continuing your presentation, right?
Yes.
You still have to continue your presentation. All right, Milo?
All right. Okay.
Okay, please.
Okay.
Milo, you have
Okay.
other references.
Untuk references promiscuity, untuk promiscuity-nya, ntar ya, kasih dapat countries.
Milo, or maybe you should explain from yourself, not only just reading,
Yes.
just from yourself.
Untuk referensinya yang lain, promiscuity, some of the reasons for adult scans and engaging is promiscuity, namely unhealthy mentally attitudes, outlet of disappointment towards an unharmonious family, failures of adolescents to assert religions, norma, and Pancasila norms. You understand, Anissa?
Okay. I'm understand. I understand.
If there is Milo,
Yeah,
Milo,
yeah.
if there is a question, you should have to answer it in the last minute. All right. This is time for your presentation, not to answer your friend's question. What do you want to explain? Milo lagi ngapain sekarang?
Baca materi bentar.
Yaudah, lanjutin.
Oke. Durasinya berapa, Reska? Reska? Halo? Reska? Durasinya lagi berapa menit?
10 minutes.
Tuh, 10 menit lagi. Lanjutin presentasinya dong.
Okay. Factor causing promise among adult scans, namely the low level of family education, such as the family that allows the child to date without any supervision, which causes the child to fall into promiscuity. Parents who pay less attention to children's relationship. Parents who are busy with their work so that their children cannot be fully cared for. Lack of caution is making friends. For example, friends lead us in a negative direction because they are friends with bad people. The economic situations of the family. For example, children who drop out of school because of the low family economy make the child behaviors. The impacts of promiscuity has a big influence on oneself, parents, such as drug dependence, decreases health, decreases crime, stretches family relationship, spread disease decreases academic. As for how to deal with promise, untuk kesimpulannya, kesimpulannya, the conclusion is promiscuity is a form of divine behavior that crosses the boundaries of obligations, damage, roles, conditions, and feeling of shame. The meaning of free association is taken from the word association, which means the process of interaction between individual or individual with a group. Will the word free, which means apart from obligations, rules, demonstration, norma, and Pancasila. Okay, finish the material. Any question? Durasinya udah selesai belum, Rizka? Halo, Rizka. Halo, Rizka. Rizka. Irvani, any question? Halo. Aurel, any question, Aurel?
Still not.
Irvani? Halo, Olip. Mana si Olip? Fatma, hello.
Yes.
Any question for material? Halo. This is connected. Jaringannya hilang ya?
Hello?
Ya, yes.
What are you doing?
Lagi nunggu pertanyaan dari teman-teman. Ini
You still have 5 minutes left. What?
Putus-putus Reska, halo.
What are you doing?
Yes, I want to wait any question.
No, you have to explain your presentation. You still have 5 minutes.
For material finish.
There is time to answer your question.
For material finish.
Yes. Explain anything.
Finish, material finish.
If that finish, you also have to explain it until the end of your time.
For material finish, Reska.
You should have to explain your material even your material is finished until 5 minutes more.
Jadi di Indonesia, Promisi ada pergaulan bebas. Jadi di kehidupan remaja banyak sekali di lingkungan yang apa sih? Di lingkungan dunia bebas. Five minutes ya, Reska?
Yes. 2 minutes.
Yes. Okay. I'm bahasa Indonesia. Saya menggunakan bahasa Indonesia aja lah untuk
You cannot.
Untuk ciri-ciri fisik.
Please speak in English.
Ciri fisik apa sih bahasa Indonesia? Ciri fisik.
Boleh campur tapi nggak boleh banyak. Nggak boleh pakai bahasa Indonesia sebenarnya.
Yes, yes. Untuk ciri-ciri bahasa Indonesia. Physical and physiological characteristic. When referring to developmental psychology, we find the definitions of our physiological development stages into 3 stages. The first 9 years, the second 9 years, and the third 9 years. The first 9 years of our life can be childhood, and this time we depends almost entirely on the care and guidance of others, especially of our parents. From the matter of bathing, eating, what we ask school chores, and friends, by the decisions of polish of our parents. Childhood is characterized by rapid physical development and growth. From learning on your stomach to crawling, walking, talking, and thinking. Adolescence is in our second psychology development and the second 9 years after we can childhood. Okay, you understand? Rizka, susah materinya. Finish, Rizka, material.
Ya, udah selesai.
Okay.
Please give your conclusion.
Conclusion. The conclusion is promissory is a form of divine behavior that crosses the boundaries of obligations, demands, roles, conditions, and feeling of shame. The meaning of free association is taken from the word association, which means the process of interactions between individual or individuals with a group. Will the word which is apart from obedience, rails, demands, religious norma, and Pancasila. Okay, thank you for attention. Okay, any question?
Okay, Milo.
Yes, finish.
You have to asking to your friend there is any question, at least 2 question for you.
Okay. Any question, Ayu?
Milo,
Yes. Yes, Rizka.
you have to asking to your friend there is any question, at least 2 question for you.
Olive, any question?
2 question.
Olive, Aurel, any question?
I have question for Milo.
Yes.
Coba ini cek.
What are your suggestions for children who enter promiscuity? Is there a solution for that? Ada solusi nggak untuk orang yang ada yang masuk ke dalam pergaulan bebas?
Okay. Thank you, Olive.
Okay, thank you.
Si Aurel, any question?
I have a question.
Yes.
Can you go into the slide 1? I mean, first slide. Can you go into the first slide, please, on your PowerPoint?
Yes. Okay.
Slide pertama, Milo.
Yes, slide pertama.
Tom.
This is
Okay. I don't get the point about definition of promiscuity because your definition is too very long, so I don't get the point. What's definition about promiscuity? Can you give the point and sort of definition of promiscuity, please?
okay. It's okay. All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, berikan waktu untuk saya menjawab. Rizka, finish. Dibantikan dulu atau apa? Nggak dengar.
You have a few dan tadi tuh udah 10 menit tuh jawab pertanyaan udah aku anuin. Jawab aja pertanyaannya, cuma 2 kan pertanyaannya. Jawab.
Oke.
Oke? Jangan terlalu lama ya.
Aurel, saya akan menjawab,
Yeah.
saya akan menjawab pertanyaan si Aurel. Ya. My opinions, some of the reasons for adolescence and aging is promiscuity, namely unhealthy mentally attitudes, outlet of disappointment towards an unharmonious family, failure of adolescents to absorb religions, norma and Pancasila normas. The characteristic of promiscuity among adults, namely one, get caught up in a fun party. Number 2, get drunk and ask illegal drunk. Number 3, bad behaviors. Number 4, weird open clothes. Okay, si Aurel, you understand?
Yes. I understand.
Okay, thank you Aurel. Untuk si Olive, solusinya dalam apa Olive? Olive. Halo Olive. Saran untuk anak yang memasuki pergaulan bebas ya. What are suggestions of children? It's okay.
2 pertanyaanku tuh, 2. Suggestion and solution.
Wait.
Suggestion for,
Wait.
ya saran untuk anak-anak yang terjebak ke pergaulan bebas, and solusi.
Oke, bentar ya. Di sini solusinya seperti Solip untuk harus
Can you use English word?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
No. Okay, no problem.
Solution is solusinya harus memperkuat pendidikan agama. The solution, my opinion, strengthen relations, faith, and make good friends. Maksudnya di sini harus memperkuat iman. Solusinya harus memperkuat iman dalam agama and make good friends. Selalu memilih teman yang baik. You understand, Olive?
Yes, but you just answer my one question. I have 2 questions for you. Suggestion.
Suggestion ya, oke. Okay. It's okay. Wait, Olive.
Okay.
Suggestion. My opinions. My opinion, Olive. Pendapat saya di sini terdapat 2, 2.